I've been using this hair wax for a while now. It gives a really good hold and doesn't damage my hair.
I created this AI UGC ad in just a few minutes using Insmind, and in today's video I am going to show you the exact process behind it, from generating the AI creator to making the final ad look realistic and engaging. So you can also create high quality AI UGC ads like this for your own content or clients. So we can create AI UGC ads using two different methods. Method 1 is when you only have a product image and want to create a complete ad from it. Method 2 is when you want to keep the same character consistent while promoting different products. So let's start with method 1. For this tutorial, I am using Insmind because it gives you access to multiple premium models and a lot of useful AI tools all in one place. First, I'll click on New to create a new project. Then I'll click on the plus icon and select image generation. After that, I'll upload my product image here. Now I'll write a prompt. You can simply give your product details to ChatGPT and generate prompts like these very easily. All the prompts are available in the description as well. For image generation, I'll use GPT Image 2. Keep the resolution at 2K and select the 9:16 aspect ratio. Then I'll click generate. Now look at the result. The product looks completely natural, everything feels realistic, and the image quality is amazing. Now, if you don't already have a professional product image like this, don't worry. You can simply take a normal photo of your product like this. Then add an image generation node, upload your image, and paste this prompt. For the model, select Nano Banana Pro. Keep the resolution at 4K and select the 1:1 aspect ratio. Then click generate. Your normal product image will instantly turn into a professional studio quality image. Now it's time to convert this image into an ad. You can download the image and use it as a reference image separately. But inside Insmind, you can also create everything using a node-based workflow. So click here and you'll see these connectors. Simply drag the connector and select video generation. As you can see, the image is already added as a reference automatically. Now I'll write my prompt here. I'll describe the character, explain what she is saying, and include all the details inside the prompt. For the model, I'll select Seedance 2, which is currently one of the best models available. Then I'll choose a 15-second duration, 9:16 aspect ratio, and 720p quality, which is more than enough. After that, I'll click generate.
Okay, quick bedtime thing. I've been using this Wamazit Miss Face Spray. My skin just feels way more hydrated, especially my neck.
Now just look at the result. The character looks realistic, the product stays consistent, the lip sync is perfect, and the final result looks like a completely real ad. Now let's move to method 2. In this method, we'll first generate a character. I'll click on the plus icon and select image generation. In the prompt, I'll write all the details about the character, like the style, age, and other information. For the model, I'll select GPT Image 2 because it creates very realistic images. I'll keep the aspect ratio at 9:16 and click generate. And now we have this influencer style image that we can consistently use with different products. Next, I'll drag it and add a video generation node. Then I'll upload my product image and write the full prompt, including the motions, expressions, and what the character is saying. For the model, I'll again select Seedance 2 with 720p quality and the 9:16 aspect ratio. Then I'll click generate.
I've been using this hair wax for a while now. It gives a really good hold and doesn't damage my hair.
Now, if I want to create another ad with the same character but for a different product, I can simply repeat the same process. I'll add another video generation node, upload the new product image, write the prompt with all the details, and keep the same settings.
This watch is my favorite because of its design. It just looks so clean and stylish.
Insmind also has an agent mode that can turn your basic ideas into a proper video. Just select agent mode and click on the plus icon, then upload your influencer or product image here. After that, write a simple prompt like this. In the prompt, mention the video duration, product name, brand name, key features of the product, and the video aspect ratio as well. Then click on generate. After that, it will ask for some more details, such as which language you want the ad in, whether you want to add a brief, change the presenter, or make any other adjustments. Then I'll click on generate this video and submit it.
Want to stay fresh all day without trying too hard? Ferrero My Desire Body Spray. Body spray delivers long-lasting freshness and an attractive fragrance that lasts. Perfect for daily use, smelling good has never been easier.
That's cool because even after the video is generated, you can still make changes to it, create different variations, or even replace the product. Here I am going to change the aspect ratio, so I'll just type change the aspect ratio to 9:16. It will ask whether you want to convert the same video or create a new one, so I'll choose the option to create a new version.
Want to stay fresh all day without trying too hard? Ferrero My Desire Body Spray gives you a long-lasting fresh feel with an attractive fragrance that lasts all day. It's the perfect way to stay fresh and confident, no matter where your day takes you.
So this is one of the easiest ways to create AI UGC ads for your products, and Insmind is a great platform because you get all the important AI tools in one place. You can definitely try it yourself. The link is in the description.